Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. It's the Soweto Derby. I'm very much excited for this one because I tell you what, after Mamelodi Sundowns dropped points against Stellenbosch, this means Orlando Pirates are still very much alive in the title race. And this also means we have a chance to put their title hope in bed. So I'm very excited about this one. In the context of the league, we are not desperate for points. I think we still finish comfortable in the third position as I'm speaking right now. Amazulu are leading. Are losing 1-0, so we have no real competition for that third spot. So, in the context of the table, we don't need the 3 points, but it's the Soweto Derby. It's about the bragging rights. It's a very very big game. A win to end Orlando Pirates title dreams, man. That will feel amazing. And also, let's also remember that these men gave us hands. We held hands in the first leg, 3-0 defeat. So we have a score to settle. It's all to play for in this game. I want to see the fight. I want to see the passion. Let's go to the team news. As we speak right now, this is the predicted starting 11, taking into account all the injury news. In goals, Brendan Peterson, of course. We had Bruce Vuma in the first leg when we got spanked. At least now we are going to have a proper goalkeeper. On the right, Chabi Somyane. He's been starting there recently, so I see no changes there. On the left, Bradley Cross, of course, has been our best left back so far this season. Centre backs, I think that's where we are going to see some changes. I think Inaso Miguel comes in. He came in as a sub in the last game for Aiden McCarthy. He also recently returned from injury, but I think he's 100% fit now. And we know whenever he's fit, he starts. He's going to start there. And the big question is, who is he going to start alongside with Aiden McCarthy getting substituted against Polokwane City through injury? But from what I've heard from the team news, he's back in training, he's available for selection. So I think he's going to slot in there as the left centre back, given Simango is going to get sacrificed. Now let's go to the midfield because I think that's where we can win the game. With Chabocele and Leboang Mabue. I look at Orlando Pirates midfield. They have Maketlen Makaula there, who's very, very good defensively. But on the ball, his game is limited. He's not press resistant, doesn't break lines, doesn't carry the ball. I look at Challenge Mbacha, good player, but his game is also limited. He's not press resistant, doesn't carry the ball. I look at our midfield, Chabocele and Leboang Mabue. They are both technical players. Chabocele is a press resistant player and very arrogant on the ball. Leboang Mabue, he's got the legs, he's got the technique, he's got vision, he's got awareness. So I think our midfield on paper is superior than them. So I think that's where we can win the game. I think we are going to go with Mabue and Chabocele. I'm not sure if Special Ndlovu will be 100% fit, but I think this is the two I would personally go with, even if Special Ndlovu is fit. I'd go with Mabue and Chabocele. And of course, Tutuzi Shabalala as the number 10. On the right, Tlodi Lilepo, he has a goal in him. Regardless of what you think about the guy, I don't like Lilepo. I don't like the guy. But he has a goal in him. He's going to start there on the left. Wandile Duba. I don't like the idea of Wandile Duba on the left, but it's been working. Recently, he's checking into that 10 position. His link up play has been great. He's not a 1v1 player, bar line cross. He plays more as behind the striker. So yeah, he's going to start then up front. Of course, our top goal scorer, Flavio da Silva. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I want a win in this game. I want to put pain on Orlando Pirates. I think if we beat them tomorrow, their title hopes are definitely over. So My prediction, I'm going to go with a Kaizer Chiefs 2-1 win. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, 2-1 win Kaizer Chiefs. I also predicted a 2-1 win in the first leg and we got absolutely spanked. But nah, yeah, this time, not this time. Yeah, not this time. That's going to be the title of this video. Not this time. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. I'm out.